Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can take a live photo or put any live photo to your lock screen and home screen as a wallpaper. So what you need to do is just go to your camera, and under your camera you see that there is an option on the right corner. This, by doing this, if you see, it means you are going to take any photo which is live. So for example, if I disable it down by tapping over it, it will show you that the live mode is actually off. So I need to put this down button on. So make sure that you have a live button on, and you need to take a picture. For example, in this video I'm gonna take this picture by rotating it down, so I can capture one or two pictures and see if the live image comes out. Yes, it works. Okay, so by after taking the picture, you just need to do is here on the bottom side there's an option on the left corner. Just tap on it, and here it will show you some options like this. You see that there is an option use as a wallpaper. Just tap on it, and after using it as a wallpaper, you see that there are options on the bottom side. It shows me that it is disabled for a live motion picture. I have just enabled it by clicking it down, and the motion comes down. So that's how you can adjust or take any photo, live photo, and put it as your home screen or lock screen, just like this, by doing add, and you can then set it as a pair. It will put on both screens. So now let's check if it works or not. Yes, it works completely and perfectly fine. So that's how you can actually adjust or make your live photo to your wallpaper. If your live wallpaper isn't activating the emotions or into an animation, it means that the live photo which you have taken is incorrect, or iPhone sensors are not able to detect it. You need to retake the image, and then you need to do whole the process again. I hope this video helping out in putting the live photo into your wallpaper. Bye bye.